Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in to my new video today. I'm going to be showing you guys my swatches of the gel bottle ink. It's a company based in the UK, I believe, but they do ship to the United States, and they have a shipping station in California, so it gets to you pretty quickly if you're in the US like me. In the UK, I'm not sure about shipping times, but I'm pretty sure most people have heard of it out there. I made 3 different orders, and I already swatched a few colors already, so I'm just showing you all what I did before, and then we're going to get right into the video. So my main reason for buying the gel bottle ink is really just because of the aesthetic. I love how they set up their website and how the bottles are square instead of round. I was really tired of using DMD polishes. Everybody I know has DMD polishes, and so I was really getting tired of looking at them, to be honest. And the crazy thing is, my customers still come in and they want the D&D colors, and I rarely use my gel bottle ink colors, so I'm kind of sad about that. But I'm hoping that when the winter comes, they'll want to use more of my nudes and the dark blues that I got. So we can't have a swatch video without actually talking about the product, and it's okay, it's good. It's not amazing. It really, I don't know. Is it worth the $20 to $19 that you spent on the product? No. But I really wanted it. So guys, don't judge me, or you can judge me, but please don't judge me. But yeah. So the product is on the thicker side, which I like. That is a positive of it. It's definitely different from the D&D polishes, which run on the runny side. And this polish runs on the thicker side. So it's not going to like run into the cuticles as much, which I love because that is my main problem in life. I am always flooding my cuticles. Anyway, but you will see as we go further along, there are some polishes that run streaky. So like they don't land in the little holes and spots that they need to. So you're going to have to like make a double coat. But as far as the swatches, most of them I did do one coat. And then towards the end, when I get into like the glitters, you can tell that I had to do a couple coats just to make them pop, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that's one thing to know about when you're thinking about buying these polishes. But I'm just going to let you guys watch what I do, and you can tell for yourself if it's something you'd be interested in buying. And I'll leave the links down below, of course.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
That they came on. I purchased my Swatch Sticks from Amazon. I will be sure to link it down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that you know the next time I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.